Hello, I'm Ananya. Today I'm going to explain about electrocardiogram, which is the topic of physiology. Electrocardiogram is the record of graphical registration of electrical activities of the heart, which occur prior to the onset of the mechanical activities. It is the sound electrical activity of all cardiac muscle fibers recorded from surface of the body. ECG is useful in determining heart rate and heart rhythm. It is also useful in diagnosis of the following. First is abnormal electrical conduction. Second is poor blood flow to the heart muscle. It is also known as ischemia. Third is heart attack. Fourth is coronary artery diseases. Fifth is hypertrophy of heart chambers. It is the picture of normal ECG. ECG leads. ECG is recorded by placing series of electrodes on the surface of the body. These electrodes are also called ECG leads and are connected to the ECG machine. Electrodes are fixed on the limbs. Usually right arm, left arm and left leg are chosen. Heart is said to be in the center of an imaginary equilateral triangle drawn by connecting the roots of these three limbs. This triangle is called the Einthoven's triangle. Electrical potential regenerated from the heart appears simultaneously on roots of the three limbs, namely left arm, right arm and the left leg. ECG is recorded in 12 leads which are classified into two categories, bipolar leads and unipolar leads. This is the picture of bipolar and unipolar leads. Waves of normal ECG. Normal ECG consists of waves, complex intervals and segments. Waves of ECG recorded by name lead 2 are considered as the typical waves. Normal electrocardiogram has following waves, namely P, Q, R, S and T. Major complexes in ECG. P wave, atrial complex. QRS complex, initial ventricular complex. T wave, final ventricular complex and QRST ventricular complex. P wave. P wave is the positive wave and the first wave in ECG. It is also called atrial complex. P wave is produced due to depolarization of atrial musculature. QRS complex. QRS complex is also called the initial ventricular complex. QRS complex is due to depolarization of ventricular musculature. T wave. T wave is the final ventricular complex and is a positive wave. T wave is due to the repolarization of ventricular musculature.